The RK61 Mechanical Keyboard retails for $45 USD on Banggood, and they were kind enough to send it out to me for review today. I hope you enjoy this review. Let's go! The RK61 is a 60% mechanical keyboard that offers wired mode and also Bluetooth mode. The keyboard itself feels very sturdy and feels like a keyboard should. The keyboard comes with rubber feet on the bottom to stop slipping at each corner. The switches themselves do have a little bit of pre-travel, but that is expected. The stabilization on the keys is pretty good compared to more high-end mechanical keyboards. This keyboard comes in weighing 0.58 kilograms or 1.28 pounds, 290mm long, 100mm wide and 35mm high. This keyboard has many features including double shot PPT keycaps, RGB lighting, and even compatibility for Windows, iOS and Android. With the Bluetooth option, you can connect to up to 3 different devices and still have them connected. For this keyboard, it uses USB-C cable and can in fact be swapped out to have different USB-C cables of your own choice, or even a custom coiled cable. This option is great and allows you to customize your keyboard even further. I chose the white variant of the keyboard with blue switches. Talking about customization, you are also able to change the keycaps on this keyboard to an external keycaps such as matrix keycaps or other compatible keycaps. Inside the box, you receive an instructions manual, a spool sticker, a white USB-C to normal USB cable, a keycap puller, and the keyboard. I personally would recommend buying this keyboard if you're on a budget and just want something that will last you a long time. This keyboard delivers. It may not have all the fancy specs as a high-end keyboard, but it's really worth it for the price. I would say though, not to get blue switches because as I realized pretty fast, they are very loud. But that's just my personal preference. As always, the product links will be in the description. If you have any concerns or questions, let me know in the comments. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.